And the winner is, drum roll. I'm not going to give it away that easy. You didn't think I was going to make it that easy, did you? You're going to have to watch the full video. Alright guys, well it's December 25th, and regardless of whether you are having a religious celebration or not, I at the very least wish you all a very happy and healthy year end and a great 2019, okay? This is going to be my last video for the year. I'm going to take a couple of days off and I'm going to be back early January with brand new videos. Alright, so what about the challenge? Well, it's been very, very exciting. You guys put in a lot of public votes and I'll tell you guys how this panned out. So first, the video went online for you guys to vote publicly, and that resulted in a top 10. Now, the professional jury took that top 10 and set everything back to 0 again. So based on the top 10 selected by you guys, we selected our top 10, and obviously part of that is our top 3, 2, and 1, the prize winners. And as per the rules, we also had the option to use 2 wildcards if we felt that 2 entries should have been in the top and were not selected by you guys, okay? So I'm going to go in and I'm going to show you guys 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and then we're going to go and do a little bit more elaborate introduction of numbers 3, 2, and 1, the prize winners, all right? So sit back, relax, and enjoy the fun. Here we go. Well, thanks for watching, and before you go, please hit that MH button to subscribe, okay? See you guys next time. Bye.